Coming up is my 3-month mini braids growth comparison. Today's video, I show you 3-month hair growth comparison in my mini braids from February 2022 to May 2022, sharing with you the 4 things that's really transformed my hair in the last 3 months. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I want to say welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you taking the time out to watch my channel, to subscribe, and to do all the wonderful things you do to help this channel grow. Really appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already subscribed, do hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I really love to do these side-by-side comparison videos. I'm gonna tell you the very first thing that you need to do to grow your natural hair is something that's not actually to do with your hair, but that is to chart your hair growth journey. It does so much of motivating you anytime you feel like your natural hair is not growing. From the past 3 months, from February to May, I've been charting my hair growth like every single week by week, how much growth I'm getting from the product I'm using and what my regimen is like that particular time. So documenting my natural hair growth has been a game changer for me. I now know how much growth I'm getting in 3 months period time. I used to have like unrealistic goals that I'm gonna get like an inch a month, but by documenting my natural hair journey, I now know that I averagely get about half an inch. So within that time, I expect to get about an inch and a half. So I can't say to you how much this one tip has really helped me in terms of motivation. Next thing that really transformed my hair between February and May of this year, 3-month growth comparison, is really diligently protective styling my own natural hair. As you know, I've just been using mini braids on my own natural hair for most of this year, and I'm telling you, this is the best quality hair I've ever had from I've been growing my natural hair out. As you know, I've been on a natural hair journey since 2007, experimenting with a variety of styles, but by far mini braids is the best my hair has looked, and it's really grown. I have so much exciting content that's already filmed for you, showing you the length of my hair today. And I'm telling you, mini braids really work. So really protective styling my hair. I'm talking about paying attention to the edges, the ends, moisturizing your own hair and not hair that's over your hair, but really diligently protective styling your own hair, making products, DIY mixes to really infuse into your own natural hair while you are naturally protective styling it, giving it a break from all the wigs and the weaves and all of that has really helped my natural hair journey. Now, there was a time where I took like a 3-week break, putting some extension on, and so I am not completely against extensions. However, really taking care of my own natural hair this year, over these 3 months, you can see the difference in the growth in my hair. Now, I chose mini braids, but there's so many other ways that you can protective style your own natural hair to get great results. I've got mini twist playlists as well, so you can check that out. But buns, you can actually just twist your hair by itself and then twist out and then bun that, just making sure that your ends are protected. So you don't have to do such a small style to get really good results like this, but really just focusing on protective styling your own natural hair. You will see a huge difference in the quality of your hair. Remember the quantity of our hair. So if we get 1 inch or an inch or whatever it is, I believe that's genetically based. So there's products, and I'm using growth aids as well to help me in terms of how much growth. But really what it comes down to is the quality of hair, that when your hair is retained, are you going to be looking at your hair thinking, I want to cut this off? Or is it going to be hair that you're going to want to keep? Now, the hair that I've been growing in my mini braids on my own natural hair is hair that I want to keep on. It's stronger, it's thicker, it's darker, it's more luscious, and that's the hair that I want to keep on my hair. Between February and May, and as spring started to sprung and as the weather started to get warmer, I really started to put a lot more water in my regimen. I'm talking about actual water, wetting my hair whenever, wherever I felt like it, and also just moisturizing my hair overall. So really water moisturizing really has helped my hair tremendously grow this year. And I think that's down to the protective style of choice. Because my hair has been in mini braids, I've been able to just wet it, not worry about shrinkage, and also not worry about having to redo my hair. My hair was already done. So I've been washing my hair a lot more, making sure that my scalp is clean. I've just been putting water under the length of my hair and also on the ends, and obviously trying to seal that with something that's really, really good. So water has made a big difference to my hair between this time, and as you can see, I'm sure you can see the difference in the length and the health of my hair just in the period of 3 months. I do want to say subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Also check out the playlist section of my channel where I document my natural hair journey in my natural hair journey playlist. I also show you DIY recipes and just general hair care tips there. So if you're looking just to grow your hair out this year, it's not too late. I've got 2 videos on goal setting. Also check them out, how to set realistic goals and to achieve them. I'll be doing an update of that video, so do look out for that. So let's go ahead and get back into the video. So far I've talked about documenting your natural hair journey. It's very important to document your natural hair journey if you're looking to grow it, so that it motivates you to keep going even when you think you don't have a lot of growth. It's also important to protective style your natural hair in a way that's conducive to growing, nothing that's pulling on your edges or that's breaking your own hair, because at the end of the day you want to grow your hair. And also I've covered the importance of moisture via water to grow your natural hair. So the final thing that's really transformed my hair between February and May this year, and the reason why I've decided to put these 2 videos together is so you can see how I handle my hair. Now my hair is a material and it wears and tears like any other material, be it cotton, be it silk. I have really been focused on handling my natural hair very, very delicately. Now it goes back to the fact that this hair that's growing out is hair I'm going to want to keep. It's good quality natural hair that's been infused with Aveda and all sorts of goodness. So it's hair that I'm going to want to keep. Now when I'm handling my hair, when I'm doing this mini braids on my hair, the process takes a long time, and that's a lot of handling for my natural hair. I take them down very, very gently. If it takes a week to take down these braids, it takes a week, and that's how I do. If it takes a week to put them in, it takes a week. And so I've been handling my natural hair very, very gently. And those are the 4 tips that's really transformed my hair in the last 3 months. I've got lots more comparison videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.